How to add a temporary user PIN code. To add a temporary user PIN code, start by pressing the Set button at the bottom of the interior housing using a small pointed object, listening for a single beep, and watching for the PIN pad to illuminate. Then enter your admin code, followed by the check mark. Next, enter 7 plus the check mark. Then enter your desired 6-digit user PIN code, followed by the check mark. Re-enter your desired 6-digit user PIN code, followed by the check mark. Next, enter the amount of times the temporary code can be used, followed by the check mark. Listen for a long beep to confirm. You have now created a temporary user PIN code.